Hello everyone, Namaskar Kutumb. I'm Sonakshi Sharma and I welcome you all on our YouTube channel Exploring Kutumb. We practice Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that means this entire world is our family. So today we are going to discuss a country which is famous for its strict rules. I hope you get the idea. Yes, it's Saudi Arabia. Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is a Western Asian country and it is a monarchy like Eswatini that we have discussed before. If you haven't watched that video, watch it. Ibn Saud is considered as the father of Saudi Arabia. He united four regions into a single state, and in 1932, after proclaiming independence of Saudi Arabia, he crowned himself as a king. He is one of the few people in history to have a country named after, and India's Hindi name Bharat is also named after King Bharat, but he is the different person. He is not the brother of Lord Ram. And who was he? We will talk in next video when we will discuss India. Current king of Saudi Arabia is Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. Now let's talk about some interesting facts about this country. Everyone shares some embarrassing and funny drunk stories once in their life, like you do drunk dial or you do some weird things that you shouldn't, but no one can beat this guy Winston Churchill. His story was on next level, like in 1921, Mr. Churchill was determining the borders between Saudi Arabia and Jordan, but after having generous amount of brandy, he hiccuped and his hand slipped and creating a random triangle shape, and in result, Saudi Arabia got several thousand kilometers of Jordanian land. So now this tract of land is known as Winston's Hiccup. This country is constructing the tallest building in the world, the Jeddah Tower, which will be 1 kilometer high. At this time, Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world and it is in UAE. So now let's talk about some strict rules of this country. Capital punishment isn't very rare in this country. They follow eye for an eye rule. So if you murder someone, then that person's family can demand to kill your family member and it's legal. If you have stolen something or did some robbery, then you are going to lose your hands. And they do within 3 days. They don't take much time like India to do justice. And because of this fear of punishment, this country is safe and crime free. Homosexuality, murder, rape, armed robbery, drug use, adultery, insulting Islam, insulting royal family, these type of crimes are punishable by death. So never ever do any such kind of. You can't watch adult movies in Saudi Arabia. If you get caught here, then you are finished. You will get death sentence. Black magic is also a crime that get capital punishment. Because of this, they banned Harry Potter. So I don't know why, what to say. I love this movie and I would suggest Saudi Arabians that please visit some other country and watch this movie. And you will be in your own fantasy world. You can do that. You people are very rich. Extramarital affairs are not tolerable in this country. If you get caught, you will be murdered by pelting stones. So never ever take risk. Cinema was banned by 2018. So because of this, many Saudi Arabians used to visit foreign countries just to watch movie. But now they have removed this ban, but still they don't release those movies which have romantic scenes. You can't click pictures of Saudi Arabian people without their consent, and if you do and get caught, you know this, you will be in big problem. So don't do this. And it's good, we shouldn't invade in anyone's privacy. You can't marry non-Muslim in Saudi Arabia, so I would suggest you to keep yourself safe and die peacefully in your own country, but before that, live your life. This thing that I find weird, that Saudi Arabian women need permission for every single thing, whether it's a foreign trip or opening a bank account. Saudi Arabian women were not allowed to drive, but in 2018 they granted this permission. They granted right to drive to women. Now they sing Lamborghini chalai maine. Sorry. Saudi Arabia is a rich country. People of Saudi Arabia are very rich. They enjoy having expensive cars to having gold-plated toilets. It's because of this they have the world's second largest oil reserve after Venezuela. But in Saudi Arabia, water is more expensive than oil because Saudi Arabia is the only country in this world which doesn't have a single river. So most of the fresh water comes from desalination plant and undergrounded reservoirs. Saudi Arabia is mostly a desert. The Rubal Khali in the southern part of the country is the largest sand desert in the world. We all know that Saudi Arabia is the birthplace of Islam and home to the religion's holiest shrine, Mecca and Medina. Performing Hajj is one of the five pillars of Islam and require traveling to Mecca. So, because of this, both these places are very important in Islam and for Muslims. So, land is really expensive there. In 1985, Prince Sultan bin Salman became the first Saudi, first Arab, and first Muslim to travel in space shuttle Discovery. So many records in one day, but I still like the record of robbery that Brazil has. So if you haven't watched it, watch it. So it was all about Saudi Arabia. What you like and dislike about this country, please tell me in the comment section. And what I like is the fear that they have created. Because of this fear, this country is crime free, and I don't like that women need permission for everything. That's all for today. I hope you liked my effort, and if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe Exploring Kutum. If you love your country, respect all the other countries, then cross the border of hearts and enter into the hearts and practice Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This entire world is our family. Please practice Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam and spread love, smiles, and keep watching Exploring Kutum. Thank you.